Welcome back to Coding Kickstart Academy. In today's video, I'll be showing you a beautiful and completely free website template designed especially for watch stores and timepiece collections. This elegant template is perfect for anyone looking to start an online business in watches, whether you're selling luxury watches, smartwatches, or classic timepieces. Let's take a quick tour of the demo. As you can see, the homepage has a clean and modern layout, with high-quality product sections, featured banners, and smooth animations. It includes ready-made pages like Home Shop About Contact, and even a fully functional product details page. This template is not only responsive, but also fully customizable using simple tools like WordPress or basic HTML and CSS, depending on your platform. Here are some of the standout features of this template. White heavy checkmark, mobile-friendly design. White heavy checkmark, easy to edit. White heavy checkmark, fast loading speed. White heavy checkmark, eye-catching product grids. White heavy checkmark, clean and professional look. If you're just getting started and don't want to spend money on expensive themes, this free template is the perfect option. And here's something even better. If you love this template and want a professional website like this built for you, don't worry, I can help you. Just send me an email. I've added my email address in the description below. Whether you want a full e-commerce website, portfolio, or business site, I'll help you get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing website demos and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of website you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.